Meaning of deadbeat.
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 Deadbeat. Deadbeat is an informal term used to describe a person who habitually avoids paying their debts or financial obligations, and often relies on others for support. This can include failure to pay child support, credit card bills, rent, or other debts. The result of being a deadbeat is that it can lead to legal action, poor credit scores, damaged relationships, and financial instability for both the individual and those affected by their actions. It is important to honor financial responsibilities to avoid the negative consequences associated with being a deadbeat.